Now the presentation ceremony for the award winners will take place. The award winners for Spring Term 2024 are the Sword of Honor, awarded to the Officer Cadet adjudged overall best amongst the passing out course, and the Gold Medal, awarded to the Officer Cadet standing first in the overall order of merit of the passing out course. The winner is Academy Under Officer Praveen Singh. The Silver Medal, awarded to the Officer Cadet standing second in the overall order of merit of the passing out course. The winner is Academy Cadet Adjutant Mohit Kapri. The Bronze Medal, awarded to the Officer Cadet standing third in the overall order of merit of the passing out course. The winner is Battalion Under Officer Shaurya Bhatt. The Technical Graduate Course Silver Medal, awarded to the Officer Cadet standing first amongst the technical graduates of the passing out course. The winner is Officer Cadet Vinay Bhandari. The Bangladesh Medal for the Best Officer Cadet standing first amongst the Officer Cadets from friendly foreign countries. The winner is Foreign Officer Cadet Muhammad Noor Qutbul Alam from Bangladesh. The Chief of Army Staff banner presented to the Champion Company of Spring Term 2024. The winner is Kohima Company. Take your attention towards your left, you will see that the Chief of Army Staff banner is now being returned to the Academy by Junior Under Officer Om Shiva Rao. It shall be presented to the Champion Company of the Spring Term 2024. banner carrier is now being slung across the right shoulder of Senior Under Officer Surinder Singh Bhandari of Kohima Company to enable him to receive the Chief of Army Staff banner. The Sword of Honor is the most coveted recognition that an officer cadet aspires to possess. It is given for the best overall performance by an officer cadet in military training, academics, sports, and extracurricular activities. The Sword of Honor has become a symbol signifying best of the best. The tradition was started with the first course, the Pioneers, when Officer Cadet Smith Dunn, who later became the Commander-in-Chief of the Burmese Army, was awarded with the sword in 1934. Now, Subedar Major Narendra Ram, Subedar Major Drill, will accompany the reviewing officer for prize distribution ceremony. The reviewing officer will now present medals to the award winners for Spring Term 2024. Winner of the Sword of Honor and the Gold Medal, Academy Under Officer Praveen Singh. Winner of the Silver Medal, Academy Cadet Adjutant Mohit Kapri. Winner of the Bronze Medal, Battalion Under Officer Shaurya Bhatt. Winner of the Technical Graduate Course Silver Medal, Officer Cadet Vinay Bhandari. Winner of the Bangladesh Medal for Best Officer Cadet from Friendly Foreign Countries, Foreign Officer Cadet Muhammad Noor Qutbul Alam from Bangladesh. Winner of the Chief of Army Staff banner, Kohima Company. Ladies and gentlemen, the medal winners are now marching back to take their positions. It is indeed a proud moment for them, as well as for all those who've been associated with their training here, and of course for their parents and loved ones.
देवी और सज्जनों, पुरस्कार विजेता अब परेड पर अपना स्थान ले रहे हैं। अपने इस प्रदर्शन के लिए न केवल ऑफिसर कैडेट्स अपितु उनके प्रशिक्षक और भारतीय सैन्य अकादमी का स्टाफ भी गौरव का अनुभव कर सकते हैं। इस सत्र के चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ बैनर के विजेता हैं कोहिमा कंपनी। इस कंपनी के ऑफिसर कैडेट्स के लिए भी यह गौरवान्वित होने का अवसर है। यह बैनर इस कंपनी की ऑफिसर कैडेट्स को अगले सत्र तक लैंडयार्ड दाहिने कंधे पर लगाने का विशेषाधिकार प्रदान करता है।
Ladies and gentlemen, the primary aim of this institution is to present to the nation strong and daring military leaders. Undoubtedly, the institution can take justifiable pride in the fact that its alumni have brought glory to themselves and their alma mater on the battlefield time and again. The number of gallantry awards won by alumni is ample testimony to this fact.